Hello and welcome to Introduction to Journalism class. We have been discussing about different aspects of communication, barriers to communication, and the ways of ensuring that we avoid barriers to effective communication. Today we are going to discuss about effect of media to the society. And as we well know, there is no way a media can exist without the society, and the society cannot exist without the media. So all of them are always in existence. They correlating together to ensure that they exist harmoniously and effectively. So media plays a very important role in all the societies. And just to begin with, you'll find that media plays a vital role in informing the members of the public of what is transpiring, what is happening, and what is likely to happen in future. Were it not because of the media, most of the people living in the society won't be informed about what is happening within the society that are existing. So media plays a very important role to ensure that all members of the society are informed about the happening trends, what is likely to happen, or else what happened previously. For example, let's say at the moment if you're talking about coronavirus pandemic, why not because of the media? Many people could not be having information about the causes, consequences, and effect of coronavirus to the society. Or else we are talking about the BBI, why not because of the media? Many people won't be aware about what is included in the BBI. So media plays a very important role in informing the members of the public about what is happening, be it nationally or else be it locally. The second function of media in the society is what we call agenda setting. You're going to find that whatever media is talking about or communicating about, many people are going to discuss about the same topic. Let's say today maybe the president has gone to has held a certain political rally, and maybe let's say the event was covered by media. You're going to find that many people in the society are discussing about what the president was talking about. Whereas let's say a deputy president was addressing people at Kisii County, can be maybe let's say Busia County, Turkana County. Many people are going to discuss about what the deputy president was talking about, just because media extrapolated, whereas media was expanding about the same topic. So media normally set the agenda of what many people in the society are going to talk about, because people can only talk about what they have been informed, and media plays a very key role in ensuring that members of the society are informed and they set the agenda of what they are most likely to discuss about. Then how what is called watchdog role. You're going to find that we have so many things that happen with the government or even outside the government organizations. And most of these things, maybe some of them are a secret in nature, and maybe let's say members of the public want to know about what has been happening. Therefore, media plays a very important role as a watchdog, whereby it exposes all these secret activities or events that are taking place behind the members of the public. For example, let's say a certain member of parliament has been involved in a corruption scandal. Many people won't be able to be aware of what is happening, were it not because of the media as a watchdog to inform them about what is happening, or else what is involved in the BBI that is likely to affect the members of the society. So it is upon the media to work as a watchdog to ensure that all these events or activities taking place within the society that a member of the society maybe are not aware of, to be informed and to be sensitized about what is likely to be happening in the society. Or else, let's say a certain company is dumping waste in the river, and some people are using the same river, maybe let's say they are using it to take shower, others are using maybe to wash clothes, others are planting the vegetables along the river banks, and as a result it is going to be harmful to their health along runs. And that's why media is going to play a very important role to ensure that all these secret activities that are taking place either in the government or outside the government are exposed to the members of the public at large. Then you're going to find that media also shapes the opinion of the public. Many people have different views or ideologies concerning different subject matter. So whatever media is going to talk about or discuss about, many people are likely to believe what the media is talking about. Many people have confidence what the media is going to expose, be it electronic media, be it print media, or else be digital form of communication. So it shapes the opinion. Maybe you had a different view concerning a specific subject matter. A media comes up with a different angle concerning the same issue. You as a member of the public, you are likely to change your opinion basing on what the media has said, or else what the media has communicated to the members of the public at large. So he said that media plays a very important role in shaping the opinions of the members of the public. Or else behavior change. You're going to find that when you compare the life of Kenyan today, and maybe you compare with the previous life, let's say the days of our forefathers, many people never used to dress the way you are dressing. Many people never used to talk the way you are talking. Many people never used to interact the way you are interacting. But now, as a result of media informing the members of the public about what is happening internationally or else in different societies, many people are able to interact and to change the way they view things in the society. So it can lead to a lot of behavior change in terms of economic change. It can be political ideologies, can be social ideologies, or else the way people are behaving in terms of norms, morality, and even their beliefs. So whatever media is going to expose to the members of the public is most likely to change the way they are going to interact, they are going to communicate, or else to behave in the society. For example, let's say media comes up with a specific topic or a subject matter, and many people are visualizing or else are listening to like a topic. They are likely to change their behavior depending on what the media is trying to portray or to communicate to them at the same time. So media plays a very important role in behavior change. And the same behavior change can be in terms of social life, can be in terms of economic life, or else political life at large. Still, media has played a very important role in terms of entertainment. You're going to find that many people like listening to media. Most of them don't listen to music, they want to watch movies, they want to visualize drama activities, or they just want to socialize in entertainment industry. Which means media has played a very important role in ensuring that it eliminates or reduces boredom among members of the society. Because at the moment you are watching this particular clip, or as you are listening to this particular music, you are going to be entertained. So media has played a very important role in the society to ensure that members of the society are entertained, and most of them they get company more. So if you are lonely, or as you are at a solitude situation, maybe at time you are alone in the house, you can switch on the radio, you can switch on the television, and out of that you are able to be entertained out of media's content, or rest media's communication content. Still, media has played a very important role in terms of education. Media is an educative tool. You're going to find that many people maybe don't understand what is FGM. Many people don't understand what is, let's say, corruption in the society. But media, out of this particular interview that are carrying out, or the information that is disseminating, the members of the society, many people are going to be educated about, be it corruption, be it FGM, be it any scandal that is taking place in the society, or is any health matter that members of the public are likely to be informed. For example, it can educate the members of the public about the ways of avoiding or else eliminating coronavirus pandemic in the society, which is a trending story at the moment. So media plays a very important role as an educative tool, and it informs the members of the public about what is happening, what is likely to happen, and the way they are likely to eliminate, let's say, immoral acts or else behaviors within the society. So these are just some of the aspects that the roles of the media that is playing within the society, and the way it has played either a positive role or else a negative role among the members of the society. Thank you for your time. I hope you are able to contextualize and understand the roles of the media in the society. Let's meet next time at the same place. Thank you.